So can somebody keep time for me?
Yes.
Okay. So beautiful talking families, can you hear me? Everyone who's got a little, in a second, I'm going to start the clock. We're going to nurse for 1 minute in solidarity with all the mamas all over the world, and sending our beautiful lactation love to them. As grandmas, we send love without lactation, but they're still there, remember, clearly, beautifully, nursing my kids. We're doing this also as a protest and a prayer. And
he likes to stretch his butt.
And he's like,
and just the blessing on the gift that you guys are sharing with your little ones, this beautiful, powerful gift of your breast milk and your body, your antibodies, and all that great stuff. So are we ready? Somebody ready? So has everybody got their baby in position? We got a baby in the body still soon. Soon enough, you guys will be able to.
1 month. 20 months. 9 months as of yesterday.
Do we have any more expected mommies?
Only one. Fine with me. I'm getting exaggerated.
Give you the lactation love, girl. You're gonna get all the lactation love.
Good for you.
Okay. So everybody, every baby's in position. And we will start now.
we started so awesome.
Good job. Otro lado. Oh, come here. Otro lado. I know. Yeah.
She go away.
Uh-huh. There we go.
Okay, do you want me to keep time?
I got it.
Oh, you got it? Okay, good.
It's a couple seconds.
There you go.
And it's been a minute.
All right, folks, that was a minute. Okay, let's all say together, Oakland breastfeeds.
Oakland breastfeeds.
There is breastfeeding in Oakland.
There's breastfeeding in Oakland.
Amen, Ashe, blessed be. Good job. Thank you, families.